Hi and welcome to the Savera. This is Dinkle before you with the development on the tussle that has now been going on for a while between Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and Enforcement Directorate. Now, a day after ED made serious allegations against Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal that he on a purpose is taking sugar-rich diet that includes puri sabzi, mango, tea with sugar and mithai to raise his sugar level so that he can get bail on medical grounds. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal today has filed a fresh plea in Delhi court seeking directions for the jail authorities to let him intake insulin orally. Now, according to the plea, this insulin is part of his insulin reversal program, which he has been taking since February 1 earlier this year. But it came to an halt on March 21st with his arrest made by ED in money laundering case linked to the Delhi excise policy, which now stands scrapped. Well, let me take you through more details of the plea that has been filed by Delhi Chief Minister today. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Friday moved a fresh application seeking direction to jail authorities to administer insulin and allow him to consult with doctors through video conferencing daily for 15 minutes for his acute diabetes and fluctuating blood sugar levels. The plea also stated that the Delhi Chief Minister's wife, Sunita Kejriwal, should also be allowed to join the consultation with Dr. Ravichandra Rao through video conference. The plea further stated that from February 1 this year, under the careful medical supervision, Kejriwal was able to start the insulin reversal program and the administration of insulin was discontinued. The strict medical supervision of a diabetes expert helped in effectively regulating glucose levels. The medicines, food, and exercises would be titrated daily using a continuous glucose monitoring sensor in which blood sugar levels were monitored closely. Due to the such daily medical and dietary interventions and a tailor-made daily exercise intervention, the applicant was successfully removed from exogenous insulin and switched to oral medication while maintaining optimal glucose levels during the program, stated the plea. Due to his arrest on March 21, the applicant was incapacitated and was unable to follow the said insulin reversal program, stated the plea. It is shocking and also alarming that from the date of his arrest, that is March 21st, the applicant has not been administered insulin to control his sugar levels. He has neither been able to follow the insulin reversal program nor being administered with insulin to control his blood sugar levels, stated the plea. While being in judicial custody, the applicant was seen by a doctor who is not even a diabetologist, and therefore, despite repeated requests by the applicant, a basic administration of insulin was not provided, the plea alleged. Kejriwal's plea stated that representatives from Tihar jail via Enforcement Directorate Council presented a chart detailing the food provided for the applicant. However, this account failed to reflect the numerous occasions when the applicant did not consume the food offered. Notably, there was no documentation or evidence submitted to accurately indicate what applicant consumed. The plea further alleged that it is shocking that ED apprehends that the person would deliberately cause such an alarming hike in sugar level and risk his life to get medical bail. This only demonstrates a serious lack of probity, fairness and vendetta and arbitrariness with which ED is conducting itself unabashedly against the applicant. This also reveals a blatantly vindictive stance, thereby compromising the integrity of the enforcement agency and manifestingly display of prejudicial disposition against the applicants, stated the Kejriwal's plea. On Thursday, ED alleged that Kejriwal is consciously consuming items like tea with sugar, banana, sweets, puri, aloo sabji, etc. on regular basis despite being a patient of diabetes mellitus type 2 and knowing very well that consumption of such items might increase his blood sugar levels. This is being done to create a medical emergency to obtain a sympathetic treatment from the court on the law of medical grounds. The diet chart may be compared with home-cooked food and the breakfast provided by the jail authorities since April 2 to show to the court whether the same has been followed or not. If not, the conduct of Kejriwal needs to be informed to the court, said ED counsel. Medical doctors posted in the jail round the clock and have been measuring the blood sugar levels of the Kejriwal twice a day, stated ED counsel after going through the report given by the Tihar jail. That's all for now. For more updates, stay tuned to the Savera.